All right, so check it out. I'm at Seafood City. I'm here to pick up a few items. When I was here in the city, this is a place I used to shop. So we're here at Seafood City. Just came here to get a few items, and then we're gonna go back and make some food. All right, so I was able to find a few things I needed. So we'll be cooking. I eat these in Thailand all the time. Thailand special there. All right, so that's our visit Seafood City. We're out. As you see, they feature Jollibees in the background. And then in the front, they have Grill City, so then Noodle Street and Crispy Town. All right, so welcome to the kitchen. I'm cooking again. You know, traveling, that's what's up. We're doing the simple things. So today we're gonna be making Vietnamese spring rolls, and I'm gonna have a little soup with that. And we're gonna make a sauce, peanut sauce, and an alternative sauce made with lemons and limes. So stay tuned. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button. If you wanna know what I'm doing, you'll know when I'm posting more food videos, travel videos, whatever it is. All right, so for our sauce for this dish, we're gonna have a half a cup of peanut butter, a half a cup of coconut milk. All right, so the next ingredient, you want about a tablespoon of hoisin sauce. I know this may not be accurate, but we're gonna do it anyway. And then we're gonna add a tablespoon of soy sauce. And now we're gonna add about a tablespoon of, well, brown sugar. We're gonna see how we can get this out of here. We're gonna call that about a tablespoon. Then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of chili oil and a half a cup of water. Then we're gonna warm this sauce. That's it. Let it simmer, let it infuse. All right, so that's what it should look like when it's done. All right, so we're making another sauce. We got some brown sugar in there. In the cup, we got brown sugar and a little fish sauce. All right, so we're gonna squeeze a little lemon juice in here. And we're gonna add a little bit of lime. And we're gonna add a little rice wine vinegar. All right, so this sauce is an alternative sauce to the peanut sauce. So this has red peppers with chili flakes and rice wine vinegar and fish sauce, lemon, and lime. All right, so we're making a spring roll. All right, so we've got our rice paper. We're gonna put our lettuce on here, noodles. We're gonna add our shrimp. Gonna add a little cilantro, coriander leaves or whatever. And then we're gonna put a little bit of cabbage because I like cabbage, I like the crisp. And besides, I had a leftover bag of coleslaw, so I'm gonna add that to it. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna bring this thing to a close. And this is a little wrap. And that's it. That's it, guys. If you like what I do here, like, share, and subscribe. We're going to show you a finished plate. So we have our spring rolls, peanut butter sauce. I'll show you how to make that and the ingredients. We have our Vietnamese spring rolls, and that's it. Hope you enjoy. If you like the content, follow, share, hit the notification for more. Thank you so much.